Out where I live at right now, man, it's hectic right now. Tornado, water watch, fucking flood watch out here. It's crazy, man. Dude, you should see this how it is at nighttime. How this is. It's crazy out here, man. It's crazy. Beautiful neighborhood. Want to see how it is when the rain is over. I said I was gonna make a video back. Yeah, so so I'm gonna go ahead and show you the back area of my house. See how crazy it is right now. Show you this shit. Ah! Show you this shit, dog. Show you this shit. Look how this shit going down out here. You can't really see it, but those little spikes is water. It's real terrible. This dude right here is trying to be like an Old Navy commercial. He had his shirt off and shit, trying to show his chest hair. Yeah, he's on that sweet motherfucking romantic shit. And yeah, normal. So yeah, it's going down out here, man. Out in the suburbs. It's crazy. Let's see how this shit come out. Stay tuned for the aftermath. Pictures, video. Do your comments. The social security number. Birth certificate. You know. I'm gonna just go ahead and open the front door and see how it is out here. Man, his hands. I ain't finna go too far out there. Dang! Yeah, it do look better, don't it? Yeah, it's crazy out here, man. That's all. Stay tuned for the aftermath picture. It's crazy. It's going down out here. Matteson, Illinois. It's nothing. You can do this.